What's up my stylish people, this is Shank, welcome back to the channel. This video is all about how to save more money on top of the discounted prices during the sale times in Myntra, in specific Myntra's big fashion festival. This video is not only applicable during this sale time, but you can use these tips to save more money during any time throughout the year whenever a sale happens. Let's get into the tip number 1. In case if you do not have any cards, for example, this time they have the ICICI credit card for Myntra's big fashion festival where you are going to get 10% instant discount. If you do not have that handy with you, make sure that you use this tip at any time throughout the year to get 10% discount, if not at least 8% for sure. There is this website or application called GiftR. In that application or website, you can navigate to Myntra and you can find gift cards starting from 50 rupees or 100 rupees till 5,000 rupees. While buying that, you will get 10% during the sale times or festive seasons and 8% throughout the year. If you are buying a gift card worth of 5,000 rupees, if there is a 10% off going on, you need to pay 4,500. Then add that money to the wallet and do the transaction super quick. This is the tip which I use almost all the times. The tip number 2, in case if you don't want to opt that approach, if you have the specific card during the sale times, make sure that you save the card. If you have an ICICI credit card or debit card, you get the 10% instant discount during this big fashion festival. If it is during any other sale times, make sure that you have that card ready and saved so that you can minimize the time of placing an order and you don't face the problem of the item being out of stock, which, trust me, it is not a good feeling. Moving on to the tip number 3. It is always a good option to have different payment options and getting maximum discount possible during the sale items via placing as different orders. Use these kind of apps to get the amount as a cashback, not immediately, but after 90 days once the return period is over. But the percentage of cashback which you get differs from application to application. There are these applications such as Earn Karo, Cash Karo. There are multiple applications. It's up to you whatever the application you want to choose, but make sure that you utilize all these kind of methods. The advantage for this method, if you generate that buying link and if you purchase via that link, not necessarily that it should be a prepaid order, it can be a COD order as well. Moving on to the tip number 4, use the coupon code smartly. If you're a Myntra insider, most often than not, there must be some coupons in your inbox. Make sure that you go to the account section and check for the coupons, because using those coupons you get minimum amount of discount on top of the sale items. If you're a Myntra insider member, you can still purchase specific brand coupons which can offer you 10 to 15% of discount. If you have a target of buying clothes from a specific brand, this is the best way to do, even though you have to spend your Myntra insider points on those coupons. The last tip would be ordering COD. Yes, you must be thinking how ordering a COD can save you money. Yes, it is. In case if you don't want to opt for the prepaid option, it's best to order COD, because during the sale times, generally it will take at least 1 or 2 days for them to ship the product. So coming to the point, during the sale times, the offers are going to change on an hourly basis sometimes. Sometimes you may find them at 50% off and sometimes you may find them in a combo offer, and you can also find them in buy one get 4 option. So if you find the similar pieces which you ordered at an even discounted price with the other offer, you can easily cancel that COD order and your money will not be blocked for 1 or 2 days. So always, if you don't opt for any of the options above or tips above which I mentioned in this video, go for this option. These are the tips on how to save more money during the sale times in specific Myntra's big fashion festival. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any more content like this in the future. That's it from me. See you guys next time.